Hey guys, this is Hadi Dayesh from Lebanon, and welcome to my video tutorial in week 4 in the Coursera course An Introduction to Interactive Programming using Python. In this video tutorial we are going to discover vectors more and know how to calculate the distance between 2 points in easier ways. So, first, what is a vector? In mathematics, physics, and engineering, a vector is a geometric quantity characterized by having a magnitude or length, a sense, and a direction. The magnitude is the length of the vector. The direction is the line that this vector is located on. But the sense is where is this vector going? Here, this vector is going to the upper right. What is the difference between sense and direction in math? Notice that I said in math because in physics sense and direction are the same. The difference between the sense and direction is that the direction is the line the vector is located, while sense can go either way on that line. Here we have two vectors that have the same direction. They have the same horizontal direction. They're going on the same horizontal line. But one vector is going to the right and the other is going to the left. Notice here that this point is named sense, is named tail, and this point is named the head of the vector. So here is the head of the vector is going to the right, and here the head of the vector is going to the left. Addition of vectors. You can add two vectors by simply joining them head to tail. Head to tail means that the head of the first vector should be on the same point as the tail of the second vector. So we can add them by this way. A plus b gives us this base of this triangle. The coordinates of a vector in a coordinate system. The coordinates of a vector AB is x of AB equals to x of B minus x of A, while y of AB equals to y of B minus y of A. Let us discover what are these. What these are. Here we have coordinate system. Let us pretend that this is a canvas and each square here represents 1 pixel. We have 2 points. The first point A, its position is 6, 2, and the second point B, its position is 2, 5. In A, we name this first part of the list x of A, so we're measuring on the x-axis, and the second part y of A because we are measuring on the y-axis. Same here, x of B and y of B. But in programming in Python, Code Sculptor, or any Python program or Python GUI does not understand the meaning of x of A and y of A. So x of A is actually A, the list A at index 0, and y of A is A at index 1. Same here, 2 or x of B is B at index 0, and y of B is B at index 1. Now, to figure out the distance between these 2 points, we should discover or create two vectors that their addition is the vector BA. The two vectors that have their addition as the vector BA are this vector right here and this second vector right here. So you can notice that the head of the first vector is the same point as the tail of the second vector. Let me name this point C so we can make calculations easy. Okay, now by applying Pythagorean theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square because we have here a right triangle. But how to calculate AC and how to calculate BC to calculate AB? We should remember here the coordinates of the vector. X of AB is equal to X of B minus X of A, and Y of AB is equal to Y of B minus Y of A. Here, let us work with the vector BC first. X of BC is equal to X of C minus X of B. But Y of BC is equal to 0. Why? Because this vector is horizontal. It has no relation with the y-axis. So we can say that the distance BC is equal to X of C minus X of B. Notice here that X of C is 6, which is the same as X of A. So it is A at index 0 minus X of B is B at index 0. B at index 0. Calculating that, A of 0 is 6, 6 minus B of 0, which is 2, is 4. Now, AC, or CA because it's a vector. Always start mentioning the vector by its tail, then its head. So CA is equal to X of A minus X of C. X of A is A at index. Sorry for that. CA is vertical, so it has no relation with x-axis. CA has only y coordinates. So CA is equal to y at A, y of A minus y of C. So A at index 1 minus y of C is the same as y of B, which is 5. So minus B at index 1. A at index 1 is 2, and B at index 1 is 5. So 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Well, why CA is negative? Distances shouldn't be negative. Well, here in vectors, you should know that CA is going to the opposite sense as the axis y, so its magnitude should be negative. Now we can apply Pythagorean theorem. Let me delete that, keeping the values. So AB square is equal, AC square is minus 3 square plus BC square, which is 4 square. Calculating that would give us 25. So AB is equal to the square root of 25. Remember that this is AB square, which is equal here to 5. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope that you have learned how to calculate the distance in this video. Thank you. Goodbye.